we've got what we call low profile. And a lot of times we'll refer to this as flat. And it is flat, it's got a smooth surface. This is what we would call a slate surface. But that's not what distinguishes this being a low profile tile. If you look on page 3, you'll see that those 3 classifications. It says a low profile tile is any tile that has a deviation on the surface of less than 1/2 inch. So even though this tile is perfectly smooth, this one has striated lines on it, okay? So it's still what we would consider a low profile tile. We try not to say flat, because if we said flat, you would say, gosh, that's not flat compared to that one. There are also products that have like a slate surface stamped into it. There's an older product made by Monier that had a wave in it, if you ever saw the Homestead. And it was just shy of 1/2 inch, and that kept it a low profile tile. So both of these are low profile. You can see that this one is also color through. The color is all the way through the tile. And there's actually blended colors that are also impregnated into the tile. This is a Boral product. You can see that the lugs at the head lap, underneath where the lugs connect to the batten, they're individual lugs that stick down. On this tile, you get these vertical ribs, nail holes up here. This is where the lug is. This has a continuous lug across the tile. So you can have both. They both work to effectively attach the tile to the batten, hook the tile on the batten. And in some cases, that lug becomes a fastening device, meaning there are situations where you don't have to put a fastener in the tile. If you're using battens, there are certain situations we'll describe where you don't have to use a nail or a screw in the tile. So we've got low profile tile, and then we've got what we consider high profile tile. And this is the tile that if you look at the table, it says that having a rise to width ratio greater than 1 to 5 measured in the installed condition, meaning when the tile is sitting there in the position, its final resting spot, the variance between the width and the rise, the height essentially from the lowest point to the highest point, divided by the width, is greater than 1 to 5. So typically, that's going to be clay and concrete S-tile. It's going to be 2-piece panning cap. There's a variety of different products that we would say that the surface is a high profile. But most common, it's going to be clay and concrete S, 2-piece panning cap. And again, you see this tile has color through. The color is mixed into the mortar. And then they've got a surface coloration on top. So this tile is gray Portland cement with a slurry coat on it. And you guys still see a lot of this down here, I think. We don't see as much of it up in my area. The freeze and thaw, the moisture and the freeze and thaw seems to degrade it a little bit faster. Down here, I think you can still see a lot more of it. It gives you a lot more choices as far as color and a little more dramatic. So that's a slurry coated product. So we've got low profile, which are virtually flat, but they're low profile. And then we've got high profile, which are the real curvy tiles. And then we've got medium profile, which are kind of curvy, but not super curvy. And that's a rise to width ratio of less than 1 to 5. Typical tile in the medium profile range are going to be Eagles, Malibu, Borals, Villa in this area. But there's a lot of tiles that would fall into that category. Again, you can see that this is a slurry coated tile, so it's gray Portland cement on the back. All the color is put on the surface, and they're able to put a variety of flash colors into the body. You can see there's 3 fastener holes in this tile. Have you ever put 3 nails in one tile? No, and there's no need to. I mean, I can't imagine. I don't think I've seen a table or a chart that says we've got to put 3 fasteners in one tile. But if we were to cut this tile in half, right down the center, we've still got a nail hole on each side of the tile. So we can still fasten it without having to drill it. The other thing you'll notice is with these concrete tile, the fastener holes, you can see where they are when you see the front of it. But if you look at the back, even though there's a dimple, there's an impression from the mold, they don't go all the way through. So again, like I said, there's situations where we're going to hook this tile on a batten, and that batten is going to be the fastening method on the roof, and we don't have to put a fastener through the hole of the tile. With these pre-punched holes in the tile not going all the way through, we don't have a water vulnerability from those holes. So when we don't need the hole, it's not creating the potential for water penetration at that spot. Then the last point, you can have a color through tile that would be all the way through. And then you can have a slurry coated tile that's also just monotone or one color.